Assalamu alaikum. Today we're exploring a differential equation. Now let's draw a direction field for the differential equation y prime equals y over t. Here's the equation again. We'll use it to analyze the slope field. Now we draw the slope at the point t equals 1, y equals 1. Now we draw the slope at the point t equals 1, y equals 2. Now we draw the slope at the point t equals 4, y equals 3. Now, we apply this idea to all points within our range of t and y values. Now we will plot the particular solutions of y. The general solution can be written as y equals ct, where c is a constant. Let's plot these solution curves for different values of c. As we can see, the visualization of a differential equation forms a field of lines where each line segment represents the slope at a point. Any particular solution follows a specific path through this field determined by the constant c, which is defined by the initial condition. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe.